Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn forces and Newton's laws together, step by step. Newton gave us 3 laws that govern all everyday motion. The first law: with no net force, an object keeps doing what it was doing, whether resting or moving steadily. The second law says net force equals mass times acceleration. The third law tells us forces come in pairs, equal in size and opposite in direction. The net force is simply all the forces added as vectors. To use these laws, draw a free body diagram showing every force on one object. Weight always pulls straight down and equals mass times gravity. A surface pushes back with a normal force perpendicular to it. Friction acts along the surface, always opposing the direction of sliding. Once these arrows are drawn, you add them up to find the net force. You push a 10-kilogram crate with 30 newtons. Friction resists with 10 newtons in the opposite direction. The net force is 30 minus 10, which is 20 newtons forward. By the second law, acceleration equals net force divided by mass. 20 divided by 10 gives 2 meters per second squared. The crate speeds up at 2 meters per second every second. A rocket is the third law in action. The engine pushes hot gas downward with great force. By the third law, that gas pushes back up on the rocket with an equal and opposite force. There's no air to push against in space, yet the rocket still climbs, because the reaction force from the expelled gas lifts it. Action and reaction, perfectly paired. To summarize, if forces balance, motion stays the same. When they don't, force equals mass times acceleration sets the pace, and every force has a partner pushing back equally. Whenever a problem feels confusing, draw a free body diagram first, and the answer usually appears. You now have the foundation of all classical mechanics. Well done. Great work. Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.